surely I'm not the only weirdo who does not remove their tags on their clothes till like right before they wear it to go out. Please tell me I'm not the only weirdo who does that. I don't know, even though I ordered these online, I like to leave the tags on till like right before I'm wearing them to go out. Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so today I am doing something completely different. I am doing a Modanisa haul. And guys, so a sister recently cleared out her closet and I had to update my closet. So I went to Modanisa. You guys know Modanisa. If you're not familiar with it, I'll post the link below. But I went on and I just looked for something for everyday wear, casual wear. My goal was to get items that were under $20. These are things that I'm going to be wearing on a weekly basis. So sister was not about to spend anything over $20 for just one outfit. These are like things that I wear to work. One or two things were like about $20-ish, but my goal was to get things under $20. So I was successful for the most part. I'm very pleased with what I was able to get. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I got and how I pair them or how I would potentially wear them together. So let's get started. So guys, I might have to stand up for this. Let me go ahead and stand up. I put Hunter to bed so I can do this. So hopefully he doesn't get out of bed and come here and say, hey guys. But anyway, I can't remember exactly the prices for each item, but I'm gonna go back and look through my order history and I'll post the prices at the bottom for you guys in case if you're interested. But these are fairly cheap, you know, as compared to how you would get them elsewhere. And if you know me, I am very frugal. I'm such a penny pincher. I love to bargain. I love bargain. I love a good bargain. So anything that's good for less, you best believe I'll be there. Okay. So I found this baby blue tunic and this is how it is. It comes down right below my knee. Right below my knee. I'm not sure if you guys can see. And it comes with this string in the front that you can tie in a bow. It's pretty much in a bow already. So you can further tie it some more. And yeah, I guess you can just work with it anyhow you want. And my favorite part is the sleeve. I got this, I think I went straight for this because of the sleeve. I love any sleeve with elastic like this. And it's like a little puffed. So it's like that puff sleeve effect with elastic. That's my favorite. In case you couldn't tell, just like this one that I'm wearing. These are the type of sleeves that I like. All right, these are my favorites. So you'll probably see a lot of my clothes like this with the elastic at the end, because it just, for someone who's very busy, very active, I use my hand a lot. So, and I'm a mom, so this is very nice to like slip up and down, and it actually stays in place when you push it up or slip it up. It stays in place, so I like that. And I like that it has like this bell-ish effect at the end of the string. I love it. So it's gold. I would wear this with jeans. You can also wear it with skirt, but I feel like this looks better with jeans. Just like you see in this video, I prefer to wear this with jeans. So you can wear it anyhow you want, but that's just the way I rock it. Number 2, this beautiful lace skirt. Oh my goodness. When I saw the model wear this, I was instantly in love. I was like, I gotta get this. It is so feminine. I love how it has this feminine effect. And then again, with this one, it has that hem, or I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but I think it's called hem. And it just creates extra space for you if you ever need, but it also adds style to it. And you know, you would think that, I think when I saw it online, I thought it was a slit. I was a little nervous about it, but I just took a risk and got it anyway. I was like, even if it comes with a slit, I can, you know, wear a bodycon skirt, or I can wear tights under. But I was so excited to have it come out like this, because I don't have to worry about wearing anything underneath it. During a hot summer day, I can rock it anyhow. Like this, I would wear this like on Mondays or Fridays. Usually when I go to work Mondays, I make a lot of effort in how I dress. And also Fridays, because it's Jummah for us Muslims, is a special day where it's sunnah to, you know, put on your best dress or your best outfit. I would wear this with the sweater top that I'm wearing in this video. I would wear it like so, or you can pair it with, you know, any top. This was not too tight on the model, so I went ahead and got size 42. Usually when I see something and it looks too tight on the person, I just go one size above. I'm a size 42, and that's, I believe, size 10 in US size. And so if I see that it's tight, I just go up a notch, just like one size. So I usually would go up like to size 12 or size 44. So yeah, this is white lace skirt, and it's very feminine. It feels so good when you wear it. I love it. Next on the list is this A-shaped skirt. This was also one of my favorite, and I believe, yeah, I got this in size 42 as well. The reason why I got this in size 42 is because of the waist. So the waist has like this band, and usually skirts that have these bands, they're supposed to hug your waist basically, so to speak. And it comes with a zipper. So if I was to get a size bigger and it was loose on me, it wouldn't stay in place. It would just roll down. So usually skirts like these, if it's not elastic, you want to get the exact size. So I had to make sure I got 42 and not 44, because I wanted it to just hold me or hug my waist and not roll down. So this is the A skirt, and it's all in black. I would wear this with like any bright colored shirt. Like this top that I'm wearing, I got this top from H&M a while back, and it's been sitting in my closet forever. So I guess it was just waiting for the skirt to come. It's a simple black skirt, just like your simple black dress. You can rock it for any casual occasion, and you can also rock it for a special occasion, like a night out, or going out for dinner with friends or significant other. Just like I wore in my video. I didn't do a lot of jewelry, but usually I would do. That's just my thing. But yeah, you can wear it casually. You can wear it for special occasion. So that's that for the A. On my list is this A top. But I like that. I like the checkered. When I saw this, I just remembered like my early childhood days when I was in school in Ghana. This was like part of the uniform, the checkered fabrics were in all kinds of colors. Those were school uniforms. And so, I don't know, it just brought back some beautiful memories, and I thought, why not? Like, I would love to rock this again to work and everyday wear. So I saw this, and again, I love how this has the elastic sleeve. You guys know that's just my thing. So I just went straight for this, and I got it in another color. I'll show you guys in a bit. You can rock this with, you can pair it with jeans because it's like long, and if you are someone who wears like a Muslim who wears tops that if you're not too concerned about it going below your knee, this will be good because it also gives you coverage on your backside very nicely. So if you were to wear this with jeans, it works very well. But I actually paired it with this skirt. So this is a simple black skirt that I also got from Modanisa. So this was also from the website, and like you see in the video, I paired these two. I mean, there's the black in here, and so I thought this would go nicely with it. And this is very simple, and this fabric is so soft. Oh my goodness. You can wear this in the summer. You can even wear it in the winter. Just make sure you're loaded down below. Like, I would wear jeans under this because it's very light. If you know me, I like to wear belts. Like you see in the video, I added a little belt effect on this. So if I'm feeling dressy, I add on a belt. But if I'm just like going around the corner to grab some things from the grocery store, I would just toss this on without a care in the world. Just go get whatever I need to get. So that's this with the skirt. Alright guys, so my next items on the list are these two. So this is another tunic top. This goes right below my knee. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, so I would wear this with jeans when I'm feeling like wearing jeans, or like I did in this video, I paired it with this skirt. Now this skirt this skirt is really big. I got it in size 44. Like I said, if I see that it's hugging the model in the picture, I tend to get a size up. If I see that it's like loose and it's not hugging the body, then I get my size. In this case, that's just what I did. I went up a size and I got size 44. So the waist is a little big, but the hips is like nicely fitted. It hugs my hips. It doesn't roll down, it doesn't fall. But like this side just hangs. It doesn't hold my hip, it doesn't hold my waist. But I don't mind, because with this, I would wear a top like this. I would wear this top because this top gives me that coverage. So if I'm wearing this over this, no one would know that this is just hanging. It's not holding my hip, it's not holding my waist. No one would know, because this is covering it nicely and it's loose. It's not like it's tight where you can see the top bulging or just like looking funny underneath it. So it's loose, so it works nicely. So I have nothing to worry about. I like how this is like horizontal lines and this is like vertical vertical lines. I mean, I'm not sure if that's a fashion faux pas or a fashion crime, but I like it. I don't mind. I like it. Not everything has to match, so sometimes you gotta play it up a little bit, but I like it. And the colors are so nice and subtle. These are perfect for everyday wear, for going to work, for going out around town, running errands. This is just the perfect wear. All right, so that's these two. All right guys, last but not least, I have, if you know me, I like red. I've always liked red. Red has been my favorite color for the longest time, but now I feel like I like every color. But for a long time growing up, red was my favorite color. But now, I mean, I still love red, but I got this in red, the checkered. Again, it has the checkered. It gives you that uniform vibe, that school uniform. It gives you that school uniform vibe, and I like it. I miss my school uniform days, so I had to go with this, you know. And again, it has that elastic sleeve that I love. I love my elastic sleeve. I love how, I guess this is a bell sleeve, and then it has the puff on this side. I just like the effect. I love this look. It's one of my favorite. This I got size 44. So this is slightly bigger, or it's bigger than the previous one. I got one bigger than the other because I was like, in case if I gain weight, I don't know. You just never know. Like, I don't want to have to like stress about buying new clothes like a couple of months down if I do gain weight. Not that I plan to gain weight, but you know, life happens. And so if I do gain weight, I want to at least have something in my closet that I can wear in the meantime before I'm able to actually go online and do some shopping. So you just gotta prepare for things like that. You never know. I mean, you just can't assume that you're gonna be enjoying this perfect waistline forever. So anyway, so I like this. Again, this, it comes very close to my knees, and you can wear this with jeans. Again, you can wear it with jeans, or like I did, I love the skirt. I got this skirt also from Modanisa, and this has an elastic waist. So listen, I can rock this with like a fitted shirt tucked in, because I know this elastic will hold that waist and it'll give me the support that I need. And this, I believe I got it in, it doesn't show me, but I believe it's, oh, it's one of those one size fits all. Yeah, so yeah, I love how it's pleated. I just love anything that's pleated. I love pleats. Like when I tried to sew, when I learned to sew a little bit once upon a time, I was trying to make like pleated dresses, and you know, it worked for a little bit, but you know, I gave up on that dream. I mean, I just don't have the time, but if I do have time, I like to make things like this. I love anything that's pleated. It's just, I feel like it's just very feminine. I love it. So that's that. Like you see in the video, I rock these two together with a nice black belt. You don't have to rock it with a belt, but it's just an option, and it looks great and it feels great, very feminine and very professional. I'm probably gonna wear these two together to work. If not tomorrow, sometime this week, I'll be rocking these two together to work, because we're going back in person. We're doing hybrid now, so half of our students are coming 2 days, and then the other half are coming the other 2 days, and then we have that 1 day for just catching up online work. So I'm excited. This might be something I'll rock to work tomorrow, inshallah. So yeah, that's that. Surely I'm not the only weirdo who does not remove their price tag, their tags on their clothes till like right before they wear it to go out. Please tell me I'm not the only weirdo who does that. I don't know. Even though I ordered these online, I like to leave the price tag, or I like to leave the tags on till like right before I'm wearing them. I don't know. I feel like something might happen, and I might not want it anymore. I might want to return it, so I leave them on just in case. You never know, you might want to return it. And the funny thing is, the times that I had removed my tags, something happened and I had to return. So I just have this fear that if I remove the tags, something is gonna happen and I might have to return the dress or the outfit. So leave a comment in the comment section. Please let me know, do you do weird things like that when you go shopping, or am I just 1 in a million weirdo? So let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this Modanisa haul. Let me know if you did in the comment section. If you would like to see more hauls, let me know in the comment section. If you have not subscribed already, like, what are you doing? Like, why are you even sitting there watching? Like, you've come this far. Come on, hit the subscribe button, click the like button. Before you watch the video, you know it's gonna be good, so click the like button. Please click the like button. Please click the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and please do share with your loved ones. All right, and let's get to 2K, inshallah. All right, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your support. I appreciate the love. Thank you so much for bringing us this far. See you in our next video. Stay safe. Bye, Dazers.